Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a phases of the moon calendar in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Moon Calendar. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates. Click on the one titled, Phases of the Moon Calendar. In the window that opens, Excel tells you that this calendar template shows the phase of the moon for every day of the year. Click on Create. Excel will load your phases of the moon calendar, ready for you to use. To change the year, click on the year shown on the top left of the calendar. Click on the small arrow to view the drop-down list. Find and select any of the available years. You now have a phases of the moon calendar for the year that you have chosen. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.